Babu.
It's like you wanna say the letter S.
Alam ko to, Sulu.
Sulu.
Siargao. Para masama tingin niya sa'yo.
I'll go with the F.
Physical therapist.
I was trying to trick you over and I was trying to think about Ruan, and I still get it right.
Problema ko yan. Alam mo yung Justin, ganyan na ganyan yung asawa ko sa akin. What is the name? B. Ganon.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Piñon!
This is gonna be my personal favorite because I need 3 ladies in the room tonight. Guaranteed to wow all of us this morning. Please welcome our award-winning mentalist, a public speaker known as a mental assassin. Very interesting person. Get up on stage, Justin Piñon.
Julian, now the question is, where is your
Dream destination.
dream destination? So think of this destination over and over again. Think of it, imagine mo na parang pupuntahan mo na siya doon. Oh, interesting. Parang na-imagine mo, malamig. Malamig ba dito? Parang giniginaw ka. You can see white and green. Think of the first letter. Think of the first letter of your destination. Yes, na, sabi ko sa inyo, I can read body language. Yung lips na parang gumalaw ng konti. It's like you wanna say the letter S.
Alam ko to!
Tama ba? S?
Alam ko to, Sulu.
Sulu. Think of this word over and over again. Yung then, parang mahaba eh. Mahaba ba to?
Siargao!
S. Imagine mo na nandito ka na ngayon.
Somalia!
Alright.
Sursugon! Sursugon!
Sam, I'm going to ask you to hold this for me.
Okay.
Dito ka sa side na to. Now, since this is a game, if I say show it to them, syempre kakaibot-kaibot ka pag pinakita mo sa kanila. Kasali ka. Okay. Tama ba yung spelling ko? Napakita sa kanila. Tama ba yung spelling ko?
Tama naman.
For the first time, loud and clear. Ano
Para
yung
masama tingin niya sa'yo.
Ano yung destination na gusto mong puntahan? Yes, sabihin mo.
Teka.
So, Mike.
Switzerland.
Switzerland!
Is it Switzerland? Switzerland!
Thank you very much, ma'am. Next.
Bakit Switzerland? Maganda, malamig. Diba? Buhay naman love life mo pa. Ang aking love. Question number 2, maganda to.
What was your question again, ma'am?
Sino who broke her heart? Medyo ka. Ano yan? Question for Madam, anong business? What business do you want if you're gonna start a business?
Alright, so you're thinking of your future business, right?
Guaranteed yung sagot mo sa kanya, guaranteed.
Okay, think of this business over and over again na gusto mong mangyari. Parang,
Parang alam ko na.
Papunta ka sa
salon.
think of this place. Parang, hindi ko alam kung place. Parang malawak, malaki. Yes? Think of the letter over and over again. First letter muna. I'll go with the F. Yes?
Alright. Physical therapist.
Feeling ko. Don't show them yet.
Sige.
Ganun ulit?
Ganun ulit.
What is your future plans? Ano yung future, ano mo?
I was trying to trick you over and I was
Okay.
trying to think about Ruan, and
Okay.
I still get it right. It's farming.
Farming!
Farming is correct. Guaranteed, ha?
Last.
Grabe. 2 out of 2. Okay. Itong pangatlo, pare, medyo mahirap, no? Because when we do for the third, you don't even know the question.
No.
You don't know the question, so you don't know the answer.
I
Technically.
specifically told them, the organizers, not to tell me your question.
Okay.
Okay, so you just thought of this now, right?
Yeah, medyo kinakabahan na ako, tinitignan pa rin, nire-read mo rin ako eh.
So this time,
Diba?
this time kayong dalawa yung babasahan ko ng isip. Okay, so dito ako sa gitna.
Yeah, oh.
So I want you to think of your question over and over again and think of your answer.
Okay.
Ooh, based on how you are looking at them, I can sense that this question has something to do with something personal for her. Did you ask her, maybe, somewhat, baka malapit, who is the most important person in your life? O parang kanino mo ginagawa mo, parang ganon. You are thinking of a person? Yeah? Are you thinking of the nickname of this person? Yes?
Di ba pwede full name yung passport?
Alright, good. Easier for me. Think of this person's nickname. Okay, so nickname, excellent to, okay? Think of this name over and over again. Nakita yung lips na gumanam. Letter B.
Ganun ba? B ba?
Tama?
B.
So, this is,
Spell
for me, this is the most difficult thinking of someone's name na iniisip. So, I will make sure that I will guarantee.
Problema ko yan. Alam mo yung Justin, ganyan na ganyan yung asawa ko sa akin. What is the name? B. Ganon.
Think how many letters this nickname has. 4. Alright, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung sinulat ko para may suspense ng konti. Don't read out loud para hindi na maano, pero feeling ko ito yung tapo na nasa isip niya. Can you guys read this? Even at the back?
Hindi ko rin kilala, pwede ko naman silipin, hindi ko rin naman kilala.
Okay.
Ay!
Now, are you thinking of your son? Yes? What is your son's nickname? Loud and clear sa mic.
Babu.
Justin, meron ka bang session mamaya? Kung maraming committees dito.
Kung gusto niyo maka-close ng deal, tanungin na lang ako.
Ayan. Sino ang next na pwede lapitan? Ayan, si Justin. Justin, thank you so much. Give Justin a big round of applause.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Let's go.
Our mentalist, grabe. And of course, ladies, all of you will receive a special gift for being participants in our game. We'll hand your special prizes off stage. Diba? Grabe, guaranteed. No? Guaranteed. And that's what Justin showed us, you know.